Who is he?
He is my brother.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mrs. Sarah.
What is this?
This is a book.
What is that?
That is a chair.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a ball.
Where is your school?
My school is near my home.
Where do you play?
I play in the park.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
What is she doing?
She is playing with a doll.
What are they doing?
They are playing outside.
What is your mother doing?
My mother is cooking dinner.
What are you doing?
I am writing with a pen.
What is that?
That is a computer.
What is this?
This is a chair.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is ABC book.
What is he doing now?
He is eating a sandwich.
What are they doing today?
They are playing soccer.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I am going to school.
What is your father doing tonight?
My father is watching TV.
Who is your sister?
My sister is Emily.
What is your brother doing?
My brother is reading a book.
Where are you going?
I am going to the park.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ollie.
What is that?
That is a laptop.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is